Turn your head this way. This way. Back to normal. When you go this way, where does it catch up at?
Like here.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were gonna say. Is that pretty rough or not too
Yeah.
bad? Yeah? Okay.
Ooh. I feel like I grew 3 inches.
That was okay.
Sorry, that's pretty tight there.
Yeah, you think?
I was like,
I know. Gotta hit another spot here. Right there. Ugh. Goodness gracious. Look, how about looking up? Fantastic. Go ahead and stand, just see what it feels like.
I just seriously felt taller.
Yeah.